Okay, got something around the house that needs fixed. Your cell phone, your refrigerator, your microwave oven, your vacuum cleaner. Just kind of take a chance at this and go to iFixit.com instead of paying somebody else to do this. Now it's going to show you step by step on how to do stuff. It actually has links in there to help you buy some of the tools that you're going to need. So one of the ones I'm going to pick is I'm going to pick an Apple Watch. Okay, now one of the things I have is I have a cracked screen. And I've talked to the guy, and he's like, okay, it's going to cost you $150 to do this. And I'm like, I wonder if I could do this on my own. So I kind of found this website. And what I have is a Series 6. So let's go to Series 6 and let's see the different options we have. Okay, obviously one of the most common ones is going to be replacing the screen. So we're going to go to replacing the screen. Now, if you need to buy any of these tools, look at this. It shows you the tools, it shows you the price, it shows you if you want to buy the whole thing and whatever. And you can click on the link and actually buy the tool and have it shipped to you. All right, so it goes step by step on how to do it. Shows you the tool that you would need. And again, if you don't have that tool, right there you go, you click, you can buy it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to repair my own Apple Watch. I'm not going to pay this guy $150. Not that I can't afford it, but I just want to see, can I do it? Is this as accurate as they say it is? And I've talked to one or two other people that have actually used this website, and they said, look, this is a great website. It saved them time, saved them money. And it shows you step by step how to do it. Now, there's quite a few steps that get involved. And these tools are to keep from breaking something. Trust me, I could have used this years ago when I repaired an HP All-in-One. I did not know, even by some of the instructions I found in YouTube videos, that you had to use a heat gun because it used double-sided tape. This would have told me that, okay? And when you get down to the last, if it, it worked and you're happy with it, go ahead and vote on this. Gives the guy an extra 30 points. I don't know what they do with the points. All I know, if you've helped me fix something and saved me time and money, I'm going to vote for you. Okay, so look at this. Lots of steps involved. We're down to step 24 already. Let's see how far, and there we go. 26 steps to remove the screen. And then you just reverse it, putting back in, and this is where I say that you go to vote. Hopefully this is a helpful website, and I thank you for viewing.